we have here for you the stunning, the awesome 2018 Dodge Charger RT Scat Pack with a Hemi engine with a Michigan green clean title and insurance claim. The damage on this was so minor, we just had to repair a few scratches and replace a couple of tires and wheels. Otherwise, nothing else was done, and it comes with just over 30,000 miles on the clock. This vehicle is absolutely loaded. It comes with blind spot mirror, heated mirror. Have a look here. It comes with memory seats. The interior is absolutely so beautiful. It's to die for. It comes also with sunroof, which I always love, but in this vehicle it just adds to it. It comes with heated seats, heated steering wheel. It comes with also departure warning lanes. It's so amazing, this car, it really is. Let's look at the back seat, equally as fantastic. It has rear sensors, backup camera. This RT is ready here for you. Call us on 586-770-1554. That's 586-770-1554.